Natural gas has crashed minus 3.68% to $2.91. In this video we break down exactly what is driving this move and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Saturday, May 23rd, and this is your complete global market briefing. Markets are sending mixed signals today as investors weigh competing narratives. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.37% at $7,473.47. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow Jones Futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off Investors Business Daily. NASDAQ 100 ticked up plus 0.42% to $29,482. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Dow Jones is trading higher by plus 0.58% at $50,580. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. DAX edged higher plus 1.15% to $24,889. The move follows reports that Dow Jones Futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off Investors Business Daily. FTSE 100 is trading higher by plus 0.22% at $10,466. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. ASML is up plus 2.57%, trading at $1,632.90. Equity markets are responding to reports that SK Hynix places record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production, Tom's Hardware. Samsung is down minus 2.34%, trading at $292,500. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Nvidia is down minus 1.90%, trading at $215.33. Investor sentiment is being shaped by chip stock reactions to Nvidia earnings, fading RE momentum or a shift toward hyperscaler capex. Moo. Apple edged higher plus 1.26% to $308.82. Investor sentiment is being shaped by how services could help generate $13 in earnings per share for Apple stock, barchart.com. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that Dow Jones Futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off Investors Business Daily. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Turning to commodities. Brent crude edged higher to $103.54 per barrel, up 0.94% on the session. The move follows reports that Dow Jones Futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off Investors Business Daily. WTI crude ticked up to $96.60 per barrel, up 0.26% on the session. The move follows reports that Dow Jones Futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off Investors Business Daily. Natural gas plunged to $2.91, down 3.68% on the session. The move follows reports that Dow Jones Futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off Investors Business Daily. Gold slipped to $4,521 per troy ounce, down 0.41% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by the S&P 500 is expected to rally 12% this year, Goldman Sachs. Let us give you our near-term view on natural gas. The technical picture for natural gas has deteriorated. The $2.73 level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. In the currency markets, euro to US dollar is at 1.16, losing 0.18% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 0.01% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.16, gaining 0.17% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that dollar cost averaging into gold and silver, the investor's practical guide, gold-silver. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If this breakdown was valuable, please share it with anyone who follows the markets. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a market update. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.